Hi everyone, my name is Pal Vang, and on behalf of ITSUP 150 Emerging Technology, my final project was based on solutions to building websites without using traditional desktop-based tools. Over the years, we have stuck to the old traditional ways of using HTML coding with a text file and saving it onto the web. But with today's technology, we are able to have web pages that will actually design your website for you. As you can see here, I have the top 10 best website builders of 2014. To be honest, I haven't used a lot of these website builders. I've heard a lot about GoDaddy being a really good one. SquareSpace is the one that I use, and we'll go into details more about in this clip. And the other ones I haven't heard much about, but I'm pretty sure they have their own advantages to them. With that being said, let's get started with SquareSpace.com. This is their main web page or main homepage when you go to their site. In order to start, you will click the Get Started button, which will lead you to their templates that they allow you to have access to. I really like these templates just because they have a lot of templates to choose from, and for that reason, it allows the audience to choose their type of template for their own purpose, whether it may be for a business or a restaurant or whatever they're building their website page for. Within each of these templates are sub templates that you can view as an example and follow by to get your website to look like theirs, or look like websites that are already out there. Some say that this may be too much and too overwhelming to choose from, but to be honest, there is a toolbar up here that if you are building a website for your business, you can click a business and it will limit your templates to just business or portfolios for art students or fashion students to show off their portfolio. There's websites for that, stores, restaurants, and personal usage. They all have that accessible to you. And again, within each one of these templates are sub-templates. So let's choose a template to go into details about. For instance, if I wanted to create a website for a store, now let's choose this template to look into. Again, there's sub templates here that you can choose from for examples to follow by. So let's say that I like this one. You will click the start with this design here, or for example, if you want to do this one, you will click the example here and click create a site like this. Alright, let's say that I want to use this one as an example. I'll click the start with this design, which will lead you to this page. This page is pretty much where you will do all the editing to your website. As you can see off to the left here, we have the navigation panel here, which will pretty much be all the pages that you will have for your audience to navigate through. The one that we chose has men's, and that's pretty much products for men's that this particular person is trying to sell. Women's is another page that they have, products for women, and lifestyle. As you can see on the lower right corner here, we have a remove example page or make page like this. With that, you can remove this example page and create your own whole page by yourself, a brand new page by yourself, or you can make a page like this, pretty much declaring that you can replace the images here and replace the pricing uh, and use it as your own uh, page. Also, as you can see off to the left here, we have an add page button where you can create another page underneath the navigation or add a product page. There's also a folder to organize your settings on the side here. Index, gallery to show off your pictures or your gallery of products that you're trying to sell. Events, you can have a calendar that will show the audience when you might have special sales or promotions going on. Album, blog, you can blog about your store or anything new that is upcoming or promoting a product of yours. There's also a link option here where you can link different websites to your audience that they may like to view. With that being said, that is where you will pretty much edit all your pages and show that will be shown to your audience. This little eyeball up here is the preview button, which will let you preview how your page will look like. So, for example, this is how the page will look like. And over here you can see the little navigation bars here. And we can go back to settings by clicking this little settings button here. And we'll take you back to your settings here to the edit mode. Over here we have activities, which pretty much shows you the activities, our traffics and whatnot about your page. We have subscribers. We'll also have comments that people can leave on your page that you can read and follow and interact with your audience. Settings, this is your basic information about you that is personal. It's more for your personal usage, not for your customers. This is like your billing information for SquareSpace to host your website, which their pricing is pretty good. For personal usage is $8 a month, professional is $16 a month, and for business is $24 a month. And which each package here has different accessibility to it, which is pretty good. I like the way things are priced here. It's not too expensive. Going back to your settings here, there's this little dollar sign here, the commerce, which will allow you to post up your products, how much it's going to cost, create your own shipping and handling, your settings for pretty much your products that you're selling, taxes, accounting, email settings, all the settings for your commerce is on to the side over here with this little dollar sign. And last but not least, there is the help center or customer service center for SquareSpace. There's a search toolbar here. Also, there's a knowledge base workshops to learn more about Squarespace that you can join. Community answers. One of the features that I really like is the open live chat and the open a ticket, which they have help service 24/7 for you to get help on your website if you ever need help with designing your website page. And with that being said, Squarespace is a really good website designer, website builder. I personally like it because of the layouts that they have for you, and not only that, but its flexibility towards their audience. It allows a lot of flexibility for the average Joe or just an HTML expert, which Squarespace allows you to edit your page using HTML coding if you would like to. So check it out. Squarespace is really a good page, a really good website to start off with. And yeah, thank you for listening.